Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive right into learning how to use UPBASE for managing your manufacturing projects effectively. Firstly, log into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one, setting up is pretty straightforward. The reason we do this is to gain access to UPBASE's extensive project management features. Now that we've done that, navigate to the Projects section. Here, you can create a new project by clicking on the Add Project button. Enter your manufacturing project details. This helps us because it allows you to customize the project based on your specific needs. Next up, it's time to add tasks. Go to the newly created project and click on Add Task. Fill in the task name, description, and assign it to members of your team. This step is crucial as it ensures every team member knows their exact responsibilities, promoting efficiency. Once you've added all your tasks, it's time to set deadlines. Click on the calendar icon next to each task and select a due date. This is important because it helps keep everyone on track and ensures the project doesn't lag behind schedule. Finally, utilize the dashboard to track progress. The dashboard gives a visual representation of the project's status, keeping you informed about what's happening behind the scenes. And there we have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering UPBASE for efficient manufacturing project management. Remember, the key is in the details, so make sure to fill out every task and deadline accurately. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.